glitters is not gold. Certainly, that's not the case in Dubai. We know Dubai is very much famous for gold, and right from gold soup to gold coffee, Dubai is now serving gold tea. It's a 24 karat flakes gold Karat tea. There are so many outlets or cafe for good Karat tea like Uncle Tea, Philly, Tea Junction, one of my favorite cutting chai in Raju Omelette. They are very much famous, and this is, I think, gonna be a famous one too. It's already famous. I think before coming to this cafe, I have checked the videos and other things, other details about this tea, and it's very much excited me. I'm sure the tea will be very much something different. I don't know how exactly it's gonna be. It's my first experience with this kind of things. I never tried, even it was never there in Dubai, a gold tea. This cafe, Food Kamut, they actually launched this kind of tea in Dubai for the first time ever, and I think the price they are going to charge 50 for a cup of tea, which is quite expensive for me, but at least you can try once for a lifetime experience. Exactly, that's what I'm doing today. I cannot have this kind of tea on regular basis, definitely not. I'm not that rich, but yeah, for a lifetime experience I definitely can do that, and that's the reason I came here today. And especially I'm a tea lover, and maybe that's the most important reason that I came here today. My passion for tea brought me here today, and this is the waiting period. I already ordered a cup of 24 karat gold Karat tea for myself. This is the waiting period. They have told me that it will take 15 to 20 minutes to make it ready. By the way, this restaurant is located in Karama, and it's just next to post office, and they have a very nice and colorful decoration. I will try to take a quick video for you so that you can enjoy the interior decoration and everything. They have a wide range of food in their menu, like a snack, sizzlers, sandwiches, so many things actually, and I didn't order anything else except the tea because I came here to taste the tea and enjoy the tea. I'm very much excited. I'm sure it will be fun. I will definitely share all kind of information with you, and also I'll mention all of them in the description. If you are interested, if you are planning for Dubai to visit, or if you are already in UAE, please try at least once, and it will be your lifetime experience, and that's what I'm going to do it today. And if you are liking my videos, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Your comments really motivates me a lot to make a good video for you. My tea, I think, is coming. I don't want to miss that chance, so stay tuned. This is how you serve?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm finally having it. Oh, so it's ice basically?
Yeah, dry ice. This is dry
Wow.
ice. It's putting water.
Yeah, you can place it. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
I'm sure you have seen that how they have served me the tea. Trust me, I'm not feeling like touching this tea, and at the same time I'm so much excited to taste it. Yeah, definitely I have to taste and drink this tea It's very expensive. I cannot just let it go like that. But let me test it and I'll share each and every single details with you about this tea, how exactly it tastes, what the flavor it has, everything. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm having gold plated tea, and it's 24 karat gold tea for the first time. I'm so much excited. Finally, I'm going to take a sip. Thank you. It's good. Acha. You can see all over my lips. It's full of gold. Yes. Yeah, it's basically they are using real gold flakes. It's basically nice tea. So what basically they did, it's a super Karat tea. It has, I'm sorry, it's all over my lips. Please excuse me for that. It's a bit messy. And what basically they did, they just made a nice milky Karat tea, and they used milky foam top of this, and on that they sprinkled saffron and flakes of 24 karat gold. It has perfect sugar level. It has everything is so good. I'm sure they are not just charging this much of amount for a cup of tea just like that. It's so good in taste. It's amazing. I'm really very happy that I came to this cafe and tried this kind of tea. I will never forget that I have tasted gold plated tea, and it's a lifetime experience for me. I cannot explain. Sometimes small things make you very happy, and this is one of them. A cup of tea can make your day. After work, this kind of tea really relaxing me a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned with me, like my video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. I will try my level best to come back to you guys with a new video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.